So today I'm gonna be showing you this. We have this. I want this one, or the secret, or this. So let's open. I'm so excited. Oh, it's smelly. What did I get? No, I got this one, but it's okay. How to? It's okay because I got this one. Yeah, I got. Wait. Oh, I got this one. Okay.